RealPAR's Business is the sponsor of this video. Want to train your team with practical industrial automation courses? Head over to realpars.com/business and fill out the form. The oil and gas industry is a vital industry that provides gasoline, natural gas, heating oils, and petrochemicals used in making thousands of products we use every day. This industry, however, is one of the most dangerous and hazardous industries in the world. Drilling sites are often located in difficult places, such as in rough offshore seas or remote areas. Worker safety, environmental protection, and operational efficiency are challenges. High-pressure systems, explosive gases, and harsh environmental conditions are all safety challenges. Fortunately, modern automation provides standard practices and monitoring systems capable of keeping workers and the environment safe. New advances in technology, such as robotics, artificial intelligence or AI, and the Internet of Things devices, are helping the oil and gas industry provide safe, efficient operations. Advanced data collection methods, such as predictive analytics, are now being used to detect and correct any safety issues. In this video, I will explore how automation is helping the oil and gas industry improve safety by sharing some examples. Want to learn even more about other important safety and automation topics? Go to realpars.com/courses, filter by the skills you want to learn, and start your learning journey today. There are many risks in the processes used to extract oil and gas, and in the refinement of these products. Dangers come in many forms. The products being extracted are inherently dangerous. High pressures are used in the extraction process. The liquids and gases extracted are explosive. Long hours and harsh conditions can lead to human error. The consequences of undetected hazards can be catastrophic. Automation can help reduce risk and improve operational safety in many ways. First, repetitive physically demanding tasks and complex operations can be accomplished with automated systems. A primary safety measure is the physical inspection of equipment, such as wellheads and offshore platforms. Robotic systems can perform these tasks safely without endangering personnel. Pipelines can be inspected for cracks or leaks using sophisticated cameras, automated sensors, and detection equipment. Sensors powered by AI can continuously monitor conditions, alerting operators to hazards like gas leaks, equipment failures, or abnormal pressures before they become safety issues. If you want to know more about smart sensors and the impact of IIoT in industrial setups, check out our course named IIoT Fundamentals: Smart Sensors and Actuators in Automation. You can find the link in the video description. Let's talk about a few real-world examples. Drilling is one of the most hazardous operations in oil and gas, with risks like blowouts posing constant threats. Automated drilling systems can integrate predictive maintenance and real-time monitoring to prevent failures before they occur. Shell Oil has adopted automated drilling rigs that adjust to changing geological conditions. Accidents are prevented by detecting equipment abnormalities early. This technology helps reduce downtime and improves safety. For the Deepwater Horizon incident, early detection technologies and automated responses could have mitigated the risks that led to such a catastrophic blowout. Automation has a very important role in preventing accidents. Inspection tasks often involve confined spaces, toxic fumes, or high altitudes. Robotics and other automated systems are perfect for these hazardous conditions. Companies like BP are using drones and robotic crawlers to handle inspections in these dangerous environments. Robots can navigate hazardous areas without endangering human workers. With advanced sensors and AI, they can detect corrosion, leaks, or structural weaknesses. The result is a safer way to do inspections, while allowing for more complete data collection and fewer risks for workers. In an emergency, speed and accuracy are critical. Automated emergency shutdown systems, or ESDs, are designed to respond faster than any human could. Statoil, now Equinor, has integrated ESDs into their offshore platforms, using sensors to detect critical conditions like gas leaks or pressure surges. The Piper Alpha disaster is a tragic example of why automation matters. Delayed responses and human error contributed to the blowout. With automation, emergencies can be handled swiftly, preventing loss of life and minimizing damage. If you want to learn more about automation safety, check out our course, Industrial Automation Safety Basics. In this course, you will learn advanced safety systems through clear and simple lessons. You can find the link in the video description. Remote monitoring is becoming a standard in the oil and gas industry. Chevron's integrated operations centers use IoT devices to monitor offshore and onshore facilities in real time. Operators no longer need to be physically present in risky locations. Instead, they can predict risks, analyze data, and respond to anomalies from a centralized, safe location. This saves costs, improves operator effectiveness, and reduces risk. If you want to learn more about industrial IoT, check out realpars.com/courses. Under Industrial IoT Skill Paths, you can start with the IoT Basics Introduction to Industrial Applications course. You can find the link in the video description. Digital twin technology is beginning to provide benefits for the oil and gas industry. Companies like ExxonMobil are creating virtual models of physical assets to simulate operations and test safety scenarios in controlled environments. These simulations help workers practice responding to emergencies. This helps to improve preparedness while avoiding the risks of real-world testing. Digital twins are also invaluable for predicting equipment failures and optimizing workflows. Automation is improving safety and efficiency in the oil and gas industry. Technologies like robotics, AI, and IoT help reduce risks and protect workers. If you're a plant manager interested in developing your team, visit realpars.com/business and leave your contact details. Our team will get in touch with you quickly to discuss how we can support your training needs. You'll find the link in the video description.